Hello students, welcome back to the class. You know what time it is?
It's math time, ma'am.
Yes, and in today's class we will be learning addition, subtraction of like, unlike and mixed fractions. Let us start with the like fractions. 1 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5. Observe the denominators. Yes, both are same, so they are like fractions. Let us understand the concept first, that how do we add them. Total parts 5. Denominator tells us the total number of parts. So this here is the figure for the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, total 5 parts are there. One part out of 5. Let us say this is that one part. 2 parts out of 5. 1 and 2. Now count how many total parts have become. 3 parts out of 5. That is why while adding like fractions we always add only numerators. Denominator is never added. So it becomes 1 plus 2 upon 5 gives us 3 upon 5. Now look the next sum. 2 upon 7 plus 3 upon 7. Denominator tells us total number of parts. So 7 is the denominator. Yes, total parts are 7. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? Now, 2 parts out of 7. Let us shade. 1 and 2. 3 parts out of 7. 1, 2, 3. So, total how many parts are shaded? 5 parts out of 7 are shaded. So, we have to add only numerators. Denominator remain the same. Check out next. 4 upon 9 plus 1 upon 9. Total parts 9. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many shaded parts? 4 parts out of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. One part out of 9. Let us take this part. So how many parts are shaded? Total 5 parts are shaded out of 9. That is why 4 plus 1 upon 9 gives us 5 parts out of 9. So this is the reason why in addition and subtraction denominator is never added. This fraction is always of the same whole. Try out next. 5 upon 10 plus 7 upon 10. Now you can understand this is out of 10. So 5 plus 7 upon 10 gives us 12 parts out of 10. So this is how we add like fractions. Now let us see how to subtract the like fractions. Understand the concept first. 5 upon 9 minus 1 upon 9. Denominator 9, total number of parts. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. First fraction 5 upon 9, that means 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts out of 9. Out of that 1 is reduced. This one part is reduced. कम कर दिया हमने. So how many parts are left? 4 parts shaded are left. So 5 minus 1 upon 9 gives us 4 out of 9. This is how while subtracting we are subtracting only numerators. Denominator remain the same. Now try next. 19 upon 22 minus 6 upon 22. So now you can do it mentally. 19 minus 6 upon 22 gives us 13 upon 22. So I hope the concept is clear ki why we are not adding or subtracting denominators. Right? Now 11 upon 14 minus 8 upon 14 becomes 11 minus 8 upon 14. It is 3 upon 14. Next sum 3 upon 15 minus 1 upon 15. It will be 3 minus 1 upon 15 gives us 2 upon 15. So addition of like fraction, subtraction of like fraction is done now. Going further. Now let us see how to add and subtract unlike and mixed fractions. First question. 3 upon 2 plus 9 upon 10. We have to add them. We can add two fractions. We can subtract two fractions when and only when they are like fractions. If they are like, very good, you can go directly. If they are unlike fractions, then we have to make them like fractions first. So 3 is the denominator, 10 is the denominator. They are not like fractions. That means we have to make them like. How? By taking LCM of denominators. Observe the denominator. Is there any common table in 3 and 10? No. Can 3 be made 10 mentally with the table, help of table? Here also we cannot go mentally. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. 10 does not come. That means we have to take LCM. Now 3 and 10. 10 is even number, 3 is odd number, no common table. That means LCM will be the product of denominators. 3 multiplied by 10 gives us 30 is the LCM. Now let us convert the denominators as 30. Whatever LCM comes, that should be the denominator now. 2 upon 3, first fraction, should be multiplied by which number so that denominator becomes 30? Equivalent fraction we are making, right? So 3 tens are 30, 2 tens are 30. 2 tens are 20. Next fraction, 9 upon 10. Denominator 10 should be multiplied by which number so that it becomes 30? Multiply by 3. So it becomes 2 tens are 20 upon 3 tens are 30 plus 9 threes are 27 upon 10 threes are 30. The given fraction has now converted into like fractions. 20 upon 30, 27 upon 30. Now you know what to be done. Only numerators to be added. 20 plus 27 upon 30 gives us 47 upon 30 as the answer. Right? Next question. 1 upon 4, 7 upon 10. Observe the denominators. These are like? No. These are unlike fractions. Can 4 be turned as 10? No. That means we have to take the LCM of 4 and 10. Common table 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Now 2 and 5 are co-prime numbers, cannot be solved further, no common table. So LCM equals to 2 times 2 times 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So thus LCM is 20. Means we have to make denominators as 20. Let us start. First fraction 1 upon 4 multiply by 5 will give us denominator 20. 7 upon 10 multiply by 2 will give us denominator 20. Solve them. 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20, 7 twos are 14, 10 twos are 20. Both the fractions has turned into like fractions. Now just directly add them. 5 plus 14 upon 20 gives us 19 upon 20. This is how we are adding unlike fractions, by making the denominators same and turning the unlike fractions into like fractions. See the next question. 7 plus 2 plus 1 upon 3. These two are whole numbers and 1 upon 3 is the fractional part. We have to add all. 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1 upon 3. Now how to add one whole number and one fractional part? The first whole number also we will be turning as fraction. How? Putting 1 in the denominator. 9 upon 1 plus 1 upon 3. Now denominators. It is 1, it is 3. Can 1 be turned as 3 directly? Yes. 1 3s are 3. That means first fraction we have to multiply it by 3. And second fraction will remain as it is, multiply by 1. It gives us 9 3s are 27 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3. Both the fractions has turned into like fraction. 27 plus 1, 28 upon 3. Whenever you are getting answer as an improper fraction, improper means numerator is greater than denominator. That time you have to check that whether it is such a fraction which can be reduced further, then make it into the lowest term. If not, then convert into mixed fraction. Read the table of 3. 3 9s are 27 plus 1, 28. Check out with the division method. 28 divided by 3. 3 9s are 27. Remainder 1. So quotient is the whole number. Remainder is the numerator and denominator remain the same. So the final answer is 9 whole 1 upon 3. Going further, now let us see how to add and subtract the mixed fractions. First fraction 3 whole 1 upon 5 plus 2 whole 3 upon 10. Both are mixed fractions, so let us convert into improper first. How? Denominator multiplied by whole number, 5 3s are 15 plus numerator 1 becomes 16 upon 5 plus denominator multiplied by whole number, 10 2s are 20, 20 plus 3, 23 upon 10. So in the first step we have converted mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now check out the denominators. We have to make them like 5 and 10. Can 5 be turned as 10? 5 2s are 10. Yes, that means LCM is 10. So let us change 16 upon 5 multiplied by 2 plus 23 upon 10 multiplied by 1. 16 2s are 32 upon 10 plus 23 upon 10. 32 plus 23, what will come? Add them. 32 plus 23 upon 10 gives us 55 upon 10. Now see, 55 upon 10, both are divisible by table of 5. So cutting method, we have to reduce it further. 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. So the fraction becomes 11 upon 2, reduced form. Now 11 upon 2 is improper, turn it into mixed. Table of 2, denominator remain the same. 2 5s are 10 plus 1. 2 5s are 10 plus 1 gives us 11 upon 2. So this is the final answer for 3 whole 1 upon 5 plus 2 whole 1 upon 3 upon 10. Going to the next, 1 whole 3 upon 4 minus 7 upon 12. First fraction is mixed, second is proper. So first convert mixed into improper. 4 1s are 4 plus 3, 7 upon 4 minus 7 upon 12. Denominators are not same, unlike fractions. So let us turn into like. LCM. 4 can be turned as 12. Yes, 4 3s are 12. That means LCM is 12. 7 upon 4 multiplied by 3 will give us denominator 12. Minus 7 upon 12 multiplied by 1 only. Why? Because denominator is already 12. Now 7 3s are 21 upon 4 3s are 12 minus 7 upon 12. Subtract it further. 21 minus 7 upon 12 gives us 14 upon 12. Both are even numbers, 14 and 12. So it can be cut. We have to reduce into the lowest term. 2 7s are 14, 2 6s are 12. It becomes 7 upon 6, which is further improper fraction. We have to turn it into mixed. 6 whole, 6 1s are 6 plus 1. 7 upon 6. 1 whole 1 upon 6 is the answer. Now let us see the next sum. 1 whole 7 upon 12 minus 1 whole 1 upon 3. Both are mixed fractions. 12 1s are 12 plus 7, 19 upon 12 minus 3 1s are 3 plus 1, 4 upon 3. Observe the denominators. 3 and 12. Can 3 be turned as 12 directly? Yes, 3 4s are 12. Otherwise, you have to take the LCM. 19 multiplied by 1 and 12 multiplied by 1 minus 4 upon 3 multiplied by 4 gives us denominator 12. It becomes 19 upon 12 minus 4 4s are 16 upon 12. Subtract them further. 19 minus 16, 3 upon 12. Observe the last fraction now, 3 upon 12. Can we cut it further to reduce it in the lowest term? Yes. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So answer is 1 upon 4. So I hope you have understood the concept how to add and subtract like, unlike and mixed fraction. Thank you. Keep practicing. If you have understood the concept, please ensure to like the video and subscribe to my channel Math Time by Alka Ma'am.